Imagine walking into a factory, construction site, or warehouse, observing surroundings and ongoing daily activities. Everything appears normal, machines operating efficiently, workers focused, and processes running smoothly without visible issues. However, hidden hazards may exist, including slippery floors, exposed wiring, or unsafe and damaged equipment. These hazards might not create immediate problems but can cause serious accidents in the near future. That is why organizations perform something called HIRA to identify and assess potential workplace risks. HIRA stands for Hazard Identification and Risk Assessment, a structured approach to workplace safety management. In this video, we will clearly understand HIRA, its importance, and how it works in practice. What is HIRA? HIRA stands for Hazard Identification and Risk Assessment, a structured approach to workplace safety management. It is a systematic process used to identify hazards and evaluate risks across workplace operations. HIRA evaluates risks that may impact people, equipment, or the surrounding workplace environment significantly. In simple terms, HIRA helps organizations understand potential problems before they occur in operations. First question, what could go wrong? Identifying possible failures or hazards within workplace processes clearly. Second question, how likely is it to happen? Analyzing probability of each identified risk occurring. Third question, how serious would consequences be? Understanding impact severity on safety and operations overall. By identifying hazards early and assessing risks, organizations can prevent incidents before they actually happen. HIRA helps organizations take proactive actions, reducing accidents and improving overall workplace safety and efficiency. It is widely used in industries where safety is critical and risks must be managed effectively. What is a hazard? A hazard is anything that has the potential to cause harm within a workplace environment. Hazards can exist in different forms depending on tasks, processes, and workplace conditions present. Some hazards are clearly visible, while others may not be immediately noticeable during routine operations. Physical hazards include moving machinery that can cause injury if safety precautions are not followed. Chemical hazards involve exposure to toxic substances that can harm health during handling or processing. Electrical hazards arise from exposed wiring or faulty systems that may lead to shocks or fires. Ergonomic hazards occur due to repetitive tasks, improper posture, or physically stressful working conditions daily. Biological hazards include bacteria or viruses that can affect workers' health in certain environments significantly. If hazards are not controlled properly, they can lead to accidents, injuries, or operational disruptions. What is risk? Risk is the combination of likelihood and severity, determining how dangerous a situation could become. Likelihood refers to how often or how likely a hazard may occur within workplace conditions. Severity refers to how serious the consequences could be if the hazard actually occurs. Understanding both likelihood and severity helps organizations assess how critical a specific risk really is. For example, a wet floor in workplace is considered a hazard that requires proper attention. The risk is someone slipping on that wet floor and potentially getting injured during movement. Organizations evaluate likelihood and severity together to determine how serious a risk is overall. Based on risk level, appropriate actions are taken to control hazards and prevent possible incidents. Steps in the HIRA process. Most HIRA processes follow structured steps, although methods may vary across organizations and industries. Step 1 focuses on identifying hazards that may exist within workplace operations and environments. The first step is to identify anything that could potentially cause harm within workplace activities. Workplace inspections help identify hazards by carefully examining equipment, environment, and ongoing operational activities regularly. Reviewing incident history helps understand past issues and identify recurring hazards within workplace operations effectively. Consulting employees provides insights since workers understand daily operations and potential risks better than anyone. Analyzing work processes helps identify hazards hidden within workflows, tasks, and operational procedures across activities. The goal is to identify all possible hazards before they cause harm or disrupt workplace operations. Once hazards are identified, the next step is to assess the associated risks systematically. Organizations evaluate risks by analyzing different factors that influence the impact of each hazard. The first factor considered is likelihood, determining how often a hazard might occur in operations. The second factor is severity, measuring how serious the consequences could be if hazard occurs. Both likelihood and severity are analyzed together to understand the overall risk level clearly. Many organizations use a risk matrix to classify risks into low, medium, or high categories. This classification helps organizations clearly understand which risks are more critical and require attention first. It ensures that critical risks are addressed quickly to prevent incidents and maintain safe operations. If the risk level is unacceptable, control measures must be implemented to reduce potential harm. These controls may include eliminating the hazard, substituting safer materials, and applying engineering controls. Administrative procedures guide workers, while personal protective equipment protects them from exposure to hazards. The goal is to reduce the risk to an acceptable level and ensure safe workplace operations. HIRA is not a one-time activity and must be performed regularly to ensure safety. Work environments change, processes evolve, and new hazards may appear over time in operations. Organizations must regularly review their HIRA assessments to ensure hazards are identified and controlled. Updating assessments helps maintain workplace safety and ensures risks are managed effectively over time. A well-implemented HIRA process helps organizations prevent workplace accidents and improve overall safety performance. It helps protect employees and assets while ensuring safety measures are followed across all operations. HIRA improves safety awareness by helping employees understand risks and follow proper safety practices consistently. It supports maintaining regulatory compliance by ensuring all safety standards and requirements are properly followed. HIRA helps reduce operational disruptions by identifying risks early and preventing incidents before they occur. Most importantly, HIRA enables organizations to shift from reactive safety management to proactive risk prevention. To summarize, HIRA is a structured approach to identifying hazards, assessing risks, and implementing controls. It helps create safer workplaces by systematically managing risks across operations and preventing incidents effectively. By managing risks systematically, organizations can prevent incidents and ensure safer and more reliable operations. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates.